I got a lot of sugar, so you ain't about to hate on me. Man, you can hate on these. I got a glass full of chocolate and baby, it tastes so sweet. Please don't kill my vibe. Come on. Please don't kill my mood. I got the AC on and I don't feel no heat, so why you got such an attitude?
Evet değerli takipçilerimiz, bugün sizlerle tenekede tavuk yapacağız. Zamanımız kısıtlı. Hiç vakit kaybetmeden hemen başlayalım. Öncelikle tavuğumuzun sosunu hazırlıyoruz. Sosun içerisinde kekik, toz biber, pul biber ve tuz var. Onun üzerine biraz yağımızı ilave ediyoruz ve hemen soslamaya başlıyoruz.
You coming to get it? It's probably sweet, you rockin' with me, I'm with it. It's probably sweet, you moving your feet, I did it. It's gotta be sweet, you rockin' with me, you get it? Hey, just let the bass turn rumbling. If we in the building, we rockin' until it's crumbling. If we in the building, it's warmer than hot cocoa, sweeter than hot chocolate. I'm a hot topic. Oh no, your flow is so dope. It's so cold, you got they nose frozen. You go for goals, oh you so focused. You go where nobody else going. Man, if you with it, you already running with it though. Told you that I got it, might as well come and get it though.
Evet, bugün doğada sizlerle tenekede tavuk yaptık. Bu tarz videoların doğada, farklı ortamlarda, farklı mekanlarda yeni videoların gelmesini istiyorsanız yorumlarda buluşalım. Takip etmeyi unutmayın.
Sweeter than hot chocolate.